Hello and welcome to this simulation. Today I did a model of a blast explosion over the composite panel. Contains the one layer concrete and the second layer is titanium foam or metal foam. Let's me to hold just first the concrete. Click on the plot the form shape. This is the stress and this is the failure of the first layer of the concrete material. Here we used conway procedure to modeling a blast explosion. See that this is the stress propagation and the failure, huge failure happened in the concrete slab here. And we can see that in the last frame for the damage variable. See the damage variable in this view. Click on animate. This is the damage, brittle failure. You can see that. Or we can use plastic strain. This is the plastic strain for the concrete. Okay, and the stress again. Replace all. See that? Hold the foam. This is the foam. With this deformation, let's me to check it. The deformation. It is around 12 centimeter deformation without failure. See that? This is the part which absorb the energy, and plastic strain for the metal foam here, and you can got everything for that. And for concrete both ductile damage for instance, and see this in this view, it is failed completely, an element removed from the simulation. So if you need this tutorial and video step-by-step English video file with Abaqus and IMP file, you can come to our website www.abaqusfm.com, find the English tutorials. For instance, this is the tutorials. You can click on title or blue sign. If you want, you can search a word here for the a specific tutorial. You can find it here if you have just one word of that. So this is the title, short explanation about the geometry and assembly, material definition, steps, interactions, and after that the results as a figures here. And there are three important points at the end, and the file contains CAE and in English video file step by step, and the cost is $33 US. If you have bitcoins, you can pay it with that, and if you haven't bitcoins, you can pay it with PayPal. This is a better way to use PayPal. If you have PayPal account, send me an email to this address, and then I will tell you about the purchasing process. Thank you for attention.